Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to enable frame generator. Since this game does not support natively frame generator, we have to enable it in our graphics card app. In case you are using NVIDIA graphics card, you have to go to NVIDIA Control Center. If you are using AMD, let's go to AMD Adrenaline. Now, go to Gaming and find FC26. Since I'm using the game from EA, I have to go to EA app, select it, and now select AMD Motion Fluid and enable it. The procedure is same for the NVIDIA graphics card. Let's take a look also at the FC25 so you can see it on the game, and the procedure is same. You have to simply enable motion fluid or DLSS. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.